Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video tutorial, I am going to explain how to enable a dark mode on Instagram app. So let's start. First of all, open your Instagram app. Then tap on your profile icon. Then tap on your main menu. Then tap on settings icon. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option theme. So tap on theme. So here there are two options, light and dark. So to enable a dark mode on Instagram, tap on dark. And here you can see we have enabled dark mode on Instagram. So in this way we can enable dark mode on Instagram. That's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.